In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Upwork payment is not received and how to fix it. First, check your payment status in Upwork. Open your account, go to Reports, then Transaction History, and see whether the payment shows as pending, in review, or completed. If the payment is still pending, you may need to wait because Upwork has security review periods and scheduled payment processing times. Next, check your withdrawal method. Make sure your bank account, Payoneer, PayPal, or other payment method details are correct and fully verified. Also, keep in mind that different withdrawal methods have different processing times. Some transfers arrive quickly, while bank transfers can take several business days. If your payment shows completed, but the money has not arrived, check with your bank or payment provider to see if the transfer is still being processed. Another thing to check is whether there are any account restrictions, verification requests, or emails from Upwork asking for additional information. You should also review your payment schedule because some Upwork earnings become available only after the security hold period ends. If none of these steps solve the issue, contact Upwork support and provide your payment details for further assistance. And that's it. These are the main steps to fix an Upwork payment not received issue in 2026.